In this video, I will show you how to easily calculate the average of a row or column in Excel. First, select the cell where you want the average to appear. In the Home tab, select the drop-down beside the Auto Sum button. Then select Average. You will notice it automatically selects a range with this dotted line. If there are numbers outside the range you want to average, reselect it by dragging your cursor on the correct range. Then select Enter on your keyboard. You will notice the other averages were automatically calculated as well. To calculate the average of the column, repeat these steps by selecting the last column cell, then select Auto Sum drop-down and select Average. To calculate the values of the subsequent columns, drag the corner of the cell out into your other cells. This should calculate the average for all of the columns. And that's it. You can now easily calculate averages in Excel.